Bismillah ar-Rahman rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Today is our third lecture of Computer Studies class 8, lecture 3. Today's lecture topic is features of computer. Features means the important tasks that computer can perform, the capabilities that can computer that differentiate and distinguish the computer to other processing machines. First of all, features of computer. Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah ar-Rahman rahim. Students, today is our third lecture of Computer Studies class 8, and topic of today's lecture is features of computer. Features means the capabilities, the tasks that computer can perform, the capabilities that distinguish the computer by the other machines. Now move on the topic. Most important feature of computer, its great speed. A computer can process, we know that a computer can process data faster than any other machine designed to perform a similar task. It, it's the foremost advantage of the computer is its great speed. Since computer is an electronic device, it works at the speed of electronic pulses which are represented in its circuit. The another most important advantage, most important feature of computer is its accuracy. A computer always gives an accurate result depending on program. If you make a mistake in a programming, it will give the wrong result. A computer's high speed processing is accompanied by high accuracy result. No other system can have as much accuracy as a computer system. Next feature is versatility. Computer can be used in various fields such as science, engineering, education, health, etc. As we know, as we know, computer in today's world, computer use in every field of life, from a grocery shop to the high risk management offices, from private sector to government sector, health, engineering, science, and all other fields. The computer, without computer cannot, no one can perform any task in all these departments of life. Next feature is efficiency. It can never get tired or bored by the long hours of repetitive work. A computer can tirelessly perform the same operation million of times in exactly the same way without getting bored and tired, the way a human clerk would. Next and most important features of computer, its storage. It can store a large volume of data, information and program according to its size and capacity. The computer is like human brain as it can store facts, instruction and information and recall them when needed. Next feature is automatic operations. Once a program is fed into the computer, all instructions of program are performed one by one automatically. We know that once the data and program are fed into the computer's memory, the computer is capable of executing the instruction on its own without human intervention. The computer varies the accuracy of its own work by means of priority check. Now the student, our topic is completed. Now move on the exercise number 1 of chapter 1. The question number 1 of this exercise, what is computer, we have discussed in lecture 2. What a computer can do, it's also discussed. From the today's lecture, question number 3, describe the features of computer, and you can make the answer from book from page number 3, the heading from features of computer, and include all the features given in your textbook. Write it down in your classwork copies. And now move for the question number 4, fill in the blanks. Blank number 1, the development of computer is also called the information revolution. Blank number 2, conversion of data into information is called, the answer is data processing. Number 3, dash is the process of sending data electronically from one place to another, the answer is data communication. Number 4, the most important advantage of computer is its speed. Now question number 4, write true or false for each of the following statements. Statement number 1, the development of computer is the most remarkable development of 19th century. It's false. Statement number 2, computer has the capability to magnify our abilities. True. Number 3, computer cannot control the processing of electromechanical devices. It's false. Number 4, computer can be used to help in designing artificial joints and limbs of human body. It's true. Number 5, a computer always gives wrong results. It's false. Number 6, computer never gets tired or bored. It's true. And the last one, computer stores very small amount of data. It's false. Now class, today's our first chapter is completed, and you should write it down all 3 questions in your classwork copies, and fill in the blanks, and true false should be complete in your textbook. It's not needed to write in your classwork copy. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz. God bless you.